Hey everyone, it's Abadesi from Hustle Crew, and today I'm going to be talking about diversity jobs boards, some examples, and their benefits. So, let me guess, you're working in your startup and you have just opened up a vacancy. You look at the applicants who've come in, and suddenly you are in despair because you realize that the majority of them are straight, white, cisgender male who resemble the homogeneity that already exists in your team. How on earth are you going to hit those goals to increase representation of women and people of color? Well, it's no surprise that the existing dominant jobs boards very much reflect the status quo of society. So, if you really want to do the work of increasing the diversity of your pipeline so that you can increase the diversity of your team, you're going to have to go to diversity jobs boards. Now, there are a ton of incredible examples out there. Hustle Crew has a jobs boards. There are websites like People of Color in Tech, Diversified Tech, Higher Tech Ladies, just to name a few. It's really important that on top of posting where you usually post, let's say LinkedIn or Indeed, you also set aside a budget for these boards which have majority underrepresented candidates. If you're not doing that, you cannot realistically expect anything to change. Now, one of the things that I see a really common mistake people make is simply asking underrepresented people they know for recommendations. Now, how often do you step out of your role to recruit on behalf of someone else or another company? I'm gonna guess not a lot. So, why do you expect people like me, just because we're women or black, to suddenly do the role of free recruitment for you? Be realistic. If you're serious about this goal, put money behind it. LinkedIn won't post your jobs for free. So, why can you expect people from underrepresented groups to? Head to the dedicated jobs boards, and they often also offer tons of other packages to help you improve your employer brand. I recently did a thread asking Black Tech Twitter what they want to learn about from employers when making a decision about whether or not to work there. It's really enlightening to see that they want to know everything like what's the current diversity on the team, what efforts are being made to increase diversity in the team and create a more inclusive culture. What do benefits look like? Are they transparent about pay and how you can move up within the org? Achieving success on the diversity front isn't just about finding the right people and bringing them to you. It's also about you doing the work of being an inclusive company and showing off those inclusivity credentials. So make sure that alongside working with diversity jobs boards, you're also working on your employer brand, showing off all the cool communities, employee resource groups you have, and making a statement about your commitment to equality, equity, and making the future better than the present. Good luck!